Limitations now. We go to limitations and strengths of official statistics. So what are the strengths of official statistics? One, I wrote, they are readily available as government have already spent more time and resources to compile them. Official statistics are always available. That's why they are secondary. They are quantitative secondary research. They are always available. It's from government. So government has those workers. Government has those resources. Government would have funded it. Mm-hmm. So it is always ready to be used or for anyone who needs it. So it's always available. You don't have to waste your time to start compiling things. It's already compiled. You just have to go to the right ministry to get whatever information you need. That's an advantage, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they are likely to be valid, reliable, and representative because they are well planned and organized. It is a government, it is official statistic, like census. Mm-hmm. These things are things that are planned, organized, coordinated, because these information are needed to carry on policies of the country. Do you understand? So they are already planned, organized, and well arranged. As a result of that, they might be valid, reliable, and representative.
To be accurate, yeah.
Do you get that?
Yeah.
That's the second point. The third advantage of official statistics is that they tend to show changes over time due to its longitudinal style of research. You know what longitudinal research? This is when you have to make a research for a long period of time. And what is the benefit of doing this type of research? The benefit is that it shows you changes that have occurred during the lifetime of people that you are researching upon. Mm-hmm. It's just like if I have to make a research on you from when you are in grade 1 until grade 12. So I continue to do that research on you. I would have known how changes have come with you, the changes that have occurred, and how they really occurred. That is the point they're making here. Yeah. So it is longitudinal because government has opportunity to sponsor or to be consistent towards that. Mm-hmm. They're not going to stop because it is part of their structure. Unlike individuals, they might get tired of it because they might lack the funding.
Yeah.
They might find it not profitable anymore, so they could stop. But government would not stop because it's a project for them. And they have a reason for going or carrying out that project. Do you get it? Yes. So the third advantage is that it is longitudinal. As a result, it shows changes that occur over time.
Yeah.
Clear? And why they occurred. The fourth point, they allow comparisons to be made such as male and female or between areas of a country. So because it's statistics, you can make comparisons. Because whenever you're making statistics, you would have distinguished between different variables.
Yeah.
As a result, you'll be able to compare and contrast. Mm-hmm. If you have to carry on a sensor again, let's use sensor, there will be female, the spot for female, for male, it's always going to be distinguished or differentiated because they need different information for different social group. Yeah. Do you understand? Yeah. Or age group, or either female or female, male or female. Yeah. So that's why it's always it allows comparisons. They're not just going to put them together. They're going to separate them because they need different information. They need different uses for them.
Yeah.
The fifth one, they help government planning as they can provide information that can be used by policymakers. Like I said already, official statistics, government do not just carry them out. You carry them out because they are important for policy makers. So they want to know the number of females available. They want to know the number of unemployed people. They want to know the numbers of male. They want to know all these things so that they can make provisions for them. That is where resource allocation comes in place. But without statistics, without information, without data, then government will not be able to allocate resources. That is the point there. I think it's clear. Yes. So these are the advantages of official statistics. Then the problems of official statistics. One, statistics are socially constructed according to interpretivists, which means they are not objectively realistic, rather formed due to human interaction. So one of the problems about official statistics is that it is socially constructed. It is based on the interaction you have within the environment, human interaction.
Structuralist more.
Yeah, it is more of structuralist than interpretivist. Yeah. So they don't see it as being objective. They see it as being subjective to certain situation. Mm-hmm. Do you get it? Yeah. So that's the criticism about official statistics, because it is structuralist. Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So the second problem is that statistics are not always complete as they may appear. This may be due to official mistakes or error. Remember we said when we talk about the hard statistics, we said they are expected to be accurate, right? But if the information is missing, that means it's not going to be accurate. If we want to know the total number of females in this country, and we missed out on certain information from Salman, from Misrata, that means the number of Libyan females will not be accurate.
Yeah.
So that means most of the time, and you have to put into consideration that when it comes to government parastatals, there's always inefficiency.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Because there's no motive to make profit. So because there's always inefficiency based on biasness, based on bureaucracy, based on different situations.